Hello friends, welcome back you all in another video, and today as you can see we are going to create a calculator in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. My name is Abhishek, you are watching Bcoder, and if you are interested in web development and programming then please hit that like and subscribe button, and let's start after this small intro. So this is the folder I have created already. Inside HTML, CSS and JavaScript file I have created. So let's start with HTML file, and inside the head I will write title calculator app, and I will link our CSS file, the style.css, which we have created in the folder, and I will close the head tag. In the body I will write a div and give a class name calculator. Then again I will write a div, and there I will give a class name display, and then I will give a input type text and id result, and I am adding read only. Then after I am writing a div and giving class name buttons, and inside that one I am writing on click clear result C. So C for as you can see in the calculator clear button is there. Then I am writing another button, and there I have given get result. Then inside that I am passing the values like percentage, division, multiplication, 7, 8. As you can see in the get result, whatever the button number it is, that I am passing as a props in the get result function. So there we will write the logic. So right now you can see our calculator, how beautiful it is looking. Now at the last line I am linking our JavaScript file, and this main thing here is the input box we have created. In that one we will display the calculated values, and these are the buttons. So four buttons we will keep in one row, like that how a calculator look like. So now I will style this calculator. So first of all in the body I will write display flex, align item center and justify content center, height 100 view height, background color little bit. Then I will style the calculator margin, then max width 400, background, then border, then border radius, then padding. After that I will style the display. So what is this display? Display is the div inside which we have written the input tag. So background I am giving white, border, then border radius, then padding, then margin bottom, and then I will style the result. So this result is the self input tag. So width I will give 100%, then font size, then border none, outline, text right. Whatever we will write it will appear in the right side of the input box. So we have styled that one. Now I am styling the buttons div. So this is the main button class I have given buttons. So display grid I am writing, and display then grid template column and repeat 4. So this will make how much item you have in that div. It will make like 4 in one row. So here as you can see we can give like a auto. So how much auto you will give here? Like 3 I have given, then 3 are in single row. So I will keep it like repeat 4. In this way also you can write, and that way also. Then after that grid gap to give gapping between all the buttons. After that I am styling the button, background color, border none, border radius, padding and color and all things, and little bit box shadow. We have to add a hover effect also. So here I am adding button hover, background color yellow, and I will give the clear button I will give a unique color like sky blue, so it looks like different, that it is a cancel button. And then I will in hover I will change the little bit color of that one also. And now you can see our styling part is completed. This is our futuristic calculator. Now we will write the JavaScript code. So here whatever we will write, that we will display inside the input box. So here I am creating variable result document.getElement by id. In result we have given, and here I will create the get result function now. So inside the get result function, whatever we are clicking on the button, that will be passed in this function. And I am writing a condition if value equals to, means value equals to, then result dot value, means whatever the result we are storing, equals to eval. So eval is a function that will calculate whatever the string you are passing inside that. Let me explain you in a better way. So first of all I will, whatever the number we are writing, that will be checked by the else condition, result dot value plus equals to value. So what is happening here? Suppose we have written, first of all result value is null, then we have entered suppose 9, then we have entered plus, then we have entered 8, then we have entered minus 1. So this is the thing we have entered except the null values 9 plus 8 minus 1. So it will be continuously added until you have pressed the equal to button. As you have pressed the equal to button, then whatever the value you have stored in the result dot value, it will passed in the eval function function like result dot value. So right now we have entered like 9 plus 8 minus 1, so it is stored in the result and we are passing that into eval function. So it will evaluate and give you the result back. And now what we will do, we are changing the input value and inside that one only we are injecting. So it will replace that statement and show the result in that div only. So now we will create the clear function. So after that, here in the clear function only we have to write result dot value and empty string. Now whatever the thing you are writing, you can clear by this function. I hope you learned how to create a calculator in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So if you enjoyed this video, then please hit that like and subscribe button.